Hello guys. So I was facing some issue with OBS where my volume for the recorded video is very low. So to overcome that issue, we can do one thing like we that's not the issue with this OBS. If you increase the volume to this, that won't be an issue. That not make much difference. So what you do, you can go to control control panel. Okay, you guys just follow me and that will be resolved. Okay, and hardware and sound, then sound. See, this is the recording. You see, this is already selected and it is default, but you can do one thing. If you are seeing the microphone and this, you see the properties, it's right panel 3.5 mm jack. Okay, this is correct, this is enabled. What you can do, you can configure this and set up microphone, and then go next, next, and then read this. After reading this, Peter dictates to his, you can go to next and then finish. Okay, so after this, you'll see a tremendous change, or your volume is gets increased up to this level, like this. If you're increasing like this, it will reach beyond. But yeah, this is fine. Your volume, that issue with your uh, recorded volume, recorded videos volume will be resolved. So yeah, there is a small video for just for increasing the volume of your recorded video with OBS. Okay, so thank you and see you again. Bye.